Hi guys, it's Kristi. I just wanted to pop on real quick. I don't have a long video today, but I wanted to show you what I've got coming up because my 25 little gold books have not arrived. So I had these purple Reader's Digest books that I got at Goodwill this week, so I'm going to go ahead and do a couple of journals while I'm waiting, and hopefully before that's done, my order for the 25 golden books will be here. So this kit that I'm going to be using is Grape Roses by Elsie Bell's Bookshelf, and I just love it. I got the main kit and the add-on kit, and I just think it's gonna look fabulous with this cover. Now, I noticed when I was editing this that this almost looks burgundy on camera, but it's purple, and this is just like a plum color. So, and then of course this is like a lilac color is what I would call it. But anyway, this kit is really cool, so I just was going to show it to you real quick. And like I said, again, it's called Grape Roses by Elsie Bell's Bookshelf on Etsy. And so it has 8 background pages. Isn't that cute with the little birds? I just love it. They're not overly done. Some butterflies. They're really cute though. I really like them, and I am going to take these. I've printed these out. I'm going to coffee dye all of these. I don't have any issues with my HP running with the coffee dye. Now, because the Reader's Digest pages are like 5x7, I print them out on the 8x10 setting on my printer. So aren't those beautiful? I just love it. And now I'm like, which one goes on the cover? I'm leaning toward this one. These are the writing pages. There's a couple of, like, just a collage with the graph paper for writing. There's 2 lined writing pages, and then there's a blank writing page. So there's 8 backgrounds and 4 writing papers, and then there's 2 pages of ephemera, and yeah, I hope you can see that. Some fussy cut rose, and there's bookmark, I had it upside down, some other tags, just beautiful. I can't wait to get into it. And so I'm gonna take probably a couple of these background pages and cut some large, medium, small tags and a few other miscellaneous things just to have some more stuffers for the pocket. And then remember this stack I showed you? This is a stack that I've been collecting. Every time I see a cool card on YouTube where somebody's made a card, I make a coffee dye replica, and this is just a half a piece of coffee dyed paper folded with a focal point here. And so I want to use some of these to do some of my inserts. This is a double pocket full card, which we've done something similar to that before. I even have one that has a flip here and a flip here and a flip here. So there's some fun stuff. And then I just saw, of course, my favorite, G. Kerr, just posted a video where she's got a flip card. I think she posted it a couple days ago. Fabulous. It's going to go perfect with what I've got in mind. So anyway, I know this is a short video, and I apologize, but today is my daughter's birthday, and we are fixing to get ready to go to a movie night at our church, hang out with some friends, eat cupcakes, and in and out. So I will not be posting a video tomorrow, but I will be back on Monday, and we'll get busy with this. So thanks for watching. Talk to you later.